Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everybody, how are you? That's great. My name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. Please see our vocabulary school at hellobabyenglish.com. We also have a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel called Hello Baby English. Okay, it's game time. Let's begin. Today we're doing adjectives. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. Always the same. Number 1. The river is not far away from here. It is. It is close. It's not far away. This area is not dangerous. It is. It is safe. It is safer than the area near Bob's house. Their car is not quiet. It is. This also equals noisy. It is loud. Their car is louder than our car. Jennifer is just an woman. There's nothing special about her. This means normal or common. She's just an average woman. There's nothing special about her. Our team designed an plan to solve the problem. This means very complicated, having many details. Elaborate. An elaborate plan. Bob said he doesn't feel very good. He said that he feels lousy. This movie is not suitable for young viewers. It is an adult movie. Adult is a person, but it's also an adjective. This hospital is a hospital. This means they don't just treat one kind of patient. They treat many different patients and do many different procedures. This hospital is a general hospital. The company wants to rent some real estate. This is real estate, but it's just for businesses. It's not for apartments for people to live in. Only for businesses. Some commercial real estate. If it's for people for living, we call it residential. If you have any questions, just give us a call. This means if you have any more questions. If you have any further, with a U. Further. You only. If you have any further questions, just give us a call. Bye-bye. And we have homework also.